Hello and welcome to this breath and meditation class. I am Aisha Molina and this is Vitamin Om Yoga. We're going to start today again with a 4 count, just so you have some variety of my voice. And we're going to go up to a 6 count today. So sit comfortably wherever, however. I'm not going to micromanage that. There are values to different positions, but we're working our Sama Vritti, and I hope you've watched the intro. So let's get started, closing the eyes, relaxing the shoulders, letting the hands find a place today where they can just be easy. Tuning in to notice your breath. And you can notice things like, where do you feel it? Front body, side body, back body. And begin to iron that out so that you are directing your breath 3-dimensionally around your body. Breathing deeper, longer, and fuller. Nice. Go ahead on your next inhale to really fill up all the way, all the way, all the way until you can't fill up anymore. Hold your breath inside the body. And then together we'll exhale all the way, really expel every single drop of air, and then hold your breath outside the body. Again, big, big, big breath in. Fill up 3-dimensionally and hold. And then exhale all the way, all the way, all the way, and hold at the bottom. Good. With a count in 1, 2, 3, 4, hold it. Out 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. In 1, 2, 3, 4, hold it. Out 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. In 1, 2, 3, 4, hold your breath. Out 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze a little extra air out. Hold your breath outside your body. Next time we breathe in, it'll be to 5. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. Out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Hold your breath. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. Out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Surrender. No air. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. Out 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pause. Surrender. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. Out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold. Out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath outside the body. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sip in a little extra air and hold. Exhaling for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Hold it. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it. Out 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it. And 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. No air in the body. Hold your breath outside your body. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our last effort on the inhale. Hold your breath inside your body. Slow and controlled. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Hold your breath outside your body. Hold it. Last effort on the exhale here. Hold it. Hold it. And then take a big, big, big breath in. Open your mouth. Let it out. Allow your breath to become automatic. Very good. Bring all of your awareness to your third eye center, your Agya chakra. And today I want to give you some playful ways to access this point. I want you to draw an imaginary line from in between your eyes to the middle of your brain. Hover here. Nice. Now find with your mind's eye your temples. And from each of one of your temples, move inwards till they meet in the middle of your brain. Very good. Imagine the very top center of your head. Come on down into the middle of your brain. Now from where the spine meets the skull, back of the head, bottom of the head, draw a line of awareness and focus upwards towards the middle of your brain. Hover here. Very good. Become aware of your breath once again. Breathing deeper, longer, and wider. Once again. And today, find a little sway just back and forth as you gradually become more and more aware of your physical body. More and more aware of this being of yours and all of its layers that you're manifesting in this right now. And finally, no rush, hands together at the heart, rubbing your palms together. Taking your hands to cup your face. And gently releasing your hands. And come back. Thank you so very much. Bless you. Hari Om and Om Shanti with peace. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and I hope to see you in the next one.